Hello everyone, this is Amit and I'm here to answer this bigger question, will AI replace the jobs? Now AI will definitely help as a tool to do our work efficiently. Definitely it will replace monotonous jobs, something which is routine work, something which doesn't require use of judgment or application of thought. So if you are someone who is willing to be a human, act like a human and wish to be a participant in terms of decision making, then you should not be afraid of AI. It is a tool which is going to support you for better decision making. You do not need to be afraid of what is happening around you. If you notice, it is raining today, and I'm happy to see the rain. Be in a situation that they are afraid of the situation that can artificial rain replace me someday. Now, the real rain may also go to demigods and may ask this question: what will happen to me? Because humans have already started developing artificial rain. So what will happen to me? Where will I go? So if as long as you are human and you are navigating on earth, there are certain things which will exist, and one of them is nature. And as part of nature, we have emotions, we can laugh, we can take decisions, we can take risk. These tools developed by humans cannot be a threat to the human themselves. Though there could be loss of jobs like a human, the ones who are acting like machines definitely be in trouble. So be prepared to behave like a human, be kind, be honest, be ethical in approach, and as long as you can beat a machine, no one can beat you. Thank you.